Hello students, welcome back to your channel. Students, today we are going to take on page number 103 area of circle, that is the last practice set of the chapter 15 area. Okay, so area of the circle, in that case we have to learn two formula, that is the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, and the area of the circle, that is pi r square, right? The value of pi is, you have to assume 22 upon 7 or 3.14, but most of the time we have to assume this 22 upon 7. This is the value of pi. Okay, r means the radius of the circle. Okay, so two formulas we need to learn for the practice set 15.6. Okay, so a circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, so let's start our new video. What we have to find it out here, radius of the circle is given. Below, find the radius. This is the radii. Radii means is the plural form of the radius. Okay, so radius is given here. So radius of the radii of the circles are given. We need to find their areas now. Okay, so it is very simple. What we have to write is radius in the given section. Radius is equal to r equal to 28 centimeter. For radius we need to assume r. Okay, so area of a circle, we need to write down the formula. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, as I told you, we need to assume the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r square means 28 into 28. Two times we need to write it down because the power 2 is there. Okay, so now cut 7 4s are 28 here. Okay, so 22 into 4 into 28. Now we need to simplify these three values. Okay, we'll get 22 4s are 88 and 88 into 28. Okay, 64, 14 and 1, 2464. So 2464. Okay, square centimeter or centimeters square, you can write it down in the answer. Okay, just do a little bit rough work here and take out the value. 2464 is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Now the second bit is 10.5 centimeter. Now the radius is given 10.5 centimeter. So what we have to do is, we need to assume radius as r. So radius is equal to r is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so area of circle. So area of circle, we know that this is pi r square. Pi value we need to assume 22 upon 7 into r square means 10.5 into 10.5. Okay, again we need to cut with the 7 table. See, 7 was a 7, 3 carry, so it is 35. So 7 5 is a 35. So 1.5 is the answer. So 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. Okay, again we need to do a little bit rough work, so we get the value here also. Okay, so 1.5, 22, then 8, 25, 50, then 22, 65, see 346, 2-digit decimal, so 50, so we need to put 2-digit decimal after that. So our answer is 346.50 square centimeter. Okay, you can do a rough work and take out the value also. Okay, now the third bit is 17.5 centimeter. So again here radius is equal to r is equal to 17.5 centimeter. So what is the area of the circle? So area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 17.5 into 17.5. Okay, again 7 2 is 14, 3 carry, 7 5 is 35. Okay, so again we need to do a little bit rough work here. 22 into 2.5 into 17.5. Okay, you will get the answer. If you do a rough work, 22 into 17.5 or 7.5, 5, then 25. Okay, if you do a rough work, you will be getting the answer 962.50 or 5 square centimeter. Okay, so this part you need to take out the rough work, do the rough work, and you can take out easily the answer also. Okay, I hope you understood this part. Okay, now let's take the next question. Question number 2. What we have to do is, in the question number 2 here, see, area of some circles are given, find the diameters. So diameters is the twice of the radius. It's a double of the radius. So what we have to do is, we have to write first bit 176 square centimeter. So what we have to do is, again we need to take out area of a circle. So once we got the area, that is the radius, we can double the radius, we'll get the diameter. Okay, so area of circle, we know that pi r square. So area of circle is given in the question, it is 176. So below that we need to write 176. The value of pi we need to assume 22 upon 7, and radius we don't have. Okay, so what we have to do is, we need to do a cross multiplication of this. So therefore r square is equal to 176 into 7 upon 22. Okay, now see here, 22 8s are 176. So r square is equal to 8 into 7. So r square is equal to 8 7s are 56. This square we need to shift over there. So it makes under root 56 now. Okay, so we got the radius r. So we need to take out the diameter. So diameter is double the radius. Okay, so 2 into what is radius? Under root 56. So our final answer is 2 under root 56 centimeter. Okay, very simple. Come on, we'll take one more. Now the second is 394.24 square centimeter. So area is given. Again we need to write area of circle. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area is, we already got it, 394.24. Pi value we need to assume 22 upon 7, and radius is r square. So we need to do a cross multiply. Take out the value of r square. Okay, so 394.24 multiply by 7 divided by 22 now. Okay, so again we need to, 22 ones are 22, then 8 9 17, 174. Okay, so 17. Okay, so we need to do a little bit rough work here. So r square is equal to 17.92. Okay, so we need to cut it, this part, 17.92. So 17.92 into 7. Okay, so r square is equal to 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63, 64, 7 7s are 49, then 55, 7 2s are 14, then 12. Okay, so after 2 digit we need to put the decimal here. So it is 125.44. Okay, so r is equal to the square, go into the under root. So 125.44. Okay, so therefore r is equal to, now it is a very bigger value, we need to take out the square root of 12544. Okay, so we can easily take out the square root of 12544, that is 11.2. Okay, by division method. Okay, so therefore diameter is equal to 2r. So 2 into 11.2. So 2 to the 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So our final answer is 22.44 centimeter. Okay. Okay, can I show you how to take out the square root? It's very simple. 12544. you need to pair, and this is the 1 only. So 1 ones are 1 here, so it is 0. Now again 1 we need to add it. This is a division method. 2 5 we need to bring it down. Okay, so 21 ones are again 21. This 4, then 4 we need to bring down this 4 also. Okay, 44. So this is 1, 22. Then 22 2s are 44. Okay, 22 2s are 44. Okay, so 11.2 is the final answer. This is a division method we already learned in the 7th standard. Okay, so 22.4 is the correct answer. Okay, we'll take one more. Okay, one more we'll take. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 12474 square centimeter. Okay, square centimeter. So again, area of a circle, we know that area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, so area of a circle is 12474. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is r square. So we need to do a cross multiply here. Take out the value of r square. 12474 into 7 upon 22 here. Okay, so again we need to take out the value here. So you'll be getting the answer is 3969. Okay, r square. So therefore r is equal to under root में 3969. So you'll be getting the answer is 63. Okay, so diameter is equal to 2r. So again 2 into 63. 2 3 is 6 and 2 6 is 12. So our final answer is 126 centimeter. Okay, this is also very simple how to take out the square root of a bigger number. So 3969, we need to pairing it. Okay, so 6 6 is 36. So 3 carry here, 6 9 we need to bring it down. You need to plus here also. So 2. Now what we have to do is we need to add something. So 123, 3 is 369. See, so our answer is 63. So 2 into 63 is 126. Okay, so let's take the one more question here. The question number 3 here. Question number 3. See here, diameter of the circular garden is 42 meter. There is a 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. Find the area of the road. This is very simple. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to take out the diameter of the garden. 42, make it a radius. So half of the diameter is the radius. Okay, so then diameter of the garden including road also. So again we need to add it. Okay, 3.5 meter. Okay, on both the side. So then find the area of the road. So again we need to find the area of the road. So area of the road is nothing but the area of the garden, and area of the garden with road and area of the garden. Okay, so in this case we can easily take out the answer. So let's start. Question number 3. Okay, so what we have to do is first of all we need to take out a diameter. So diameter of garden is equal to D is equal to 42 centimeter. It is a meter given here. Okay, so we need to write meter. So this diameter, so we have to take out the radius with the diameter. So radius is equal to half of the diameter. Okay, so 42 upon 2. So therefore radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, so we got the radius here. So now again we need to take out the diameter. The diameter of the garden including road. So diameter of the garden including the road. Okay, with the road also we need to take out including the road. So it is nothing but diameter is 42 and including the road is 3.5 plus 3.5 on both the side. We need to take it down. So 42 plus 3 45 48 0.5 is 1, so it is 49 meter. Okay, so therefore in this case the radius, okay, so the radius of the garden, see here, radius of garden with road now, so here two radius is there, one we have assumed smaller and the other we have to assume as a capital. Okay, so 49 upon 2, this one 49 upon 2, so 49 upon 2 is nothing but 24.5 meter. Okay, so what is the area of the road now? So area of the road, see here, area of the road is equal to area of garden plus area of garden with road. We need to write like this: area of the garden with road plus area of garden. Okay, so area of a square, we know that what is area of a square? Pi r square, capital will take, minus pi r smaller will take. So pi we need to take as a common, and r square minus r square into the bracket we need to take it down. Okay, now put the values here. So what is pi value is 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 in bracket r square, capital R square is 24.5, okay, square minus and 21 square. Okay, smaller r is 21 square. So again what we have to do is 22 upon 7 in bracket 245 square is 600.25 minus 21 ka square 441. So again 22 upon 7 in bracket we need to minus it, so it becomes 159.25. Okay, so again 22 upon 7 into 15.25, we need to open the bracket with a multiply sign. You will be getting 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, then 7 the 49, 7 5 the 35. Okay, so 22 into 22.75 will getting the answer 500.5 meters square. Okay, so this is the third answer. I hope you understood. Now the last question is here. Find the area of the circle if the circumference. Circumference is given 88. So what we have to do is you have to write here circumference. Okay, so circumference is 88 meter. So we have to write here area of circumference. Area of circumference is 2 pi r. We know the formula. Okay, so it is 88 is equal to 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 and into radius. So again we need to cross multiply and take out the value of r. So 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Okay, so 2 4 the 8, 2 4 the 8, then 22 2 the 44. So r is equal to 2 into 7. Okay, so we got the r here, radius here 14 centimeter. Now we need to find the area also. So area of circle. So what is area of circle? Pi r square. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 and the radius is 14 into 14, 2 times. 7 2s are 14. Again 22, okay, into 2 into 14. So the answer is 22 into 44 into 14, 616 centimeters square. Okay, so this is the case of the fourth questions. I hope you understood this video. For this we have completed the chapter area. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.